has gone. How do I find my way? Since I came to earth, you start filling my head with your philosophy for your own pocket. Oh, I need my freedom from this mental slavery. I want out. I did not sign for this. I came here to progress and to grow, to go back home and live with my parents. Why all the men, you made it difficult for me to find my true potential, because you won't have power on me. Oh, you just want to control me. Oh, I need my freedom. Oh, let me fly like an eagle, so that I can touch the sky. Where did I come from? Oh, let me go. Let me go. Let me go.